Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to have a discussion on ASTROS mission. This particular mission is an auspicious mission of NASA, that is National Aeronautics Space Agency. This particular mission is planned for December 2023. If we analyze further, let us see what are the components under this program. First, that is the parachute. Parachute will be clubbed with the telescope. This is the first point. Second, the size of the parachute will be somewhere around 150 meter dia. That is approximately the size of a football ground. Third, height. The parachute will go up to 130,000 feet. That is the height in the stratosphere. Fourth point, if we move this particular height that the telescope and the parachute will go, that will be the 4 times the height of a plane in the stratosphere. Fifth point, the location of the parachute with the telescope will be in the stratosphere, as I've already told you. Further, less technology will be used in this particular program and the cost will be low. Now if we move further and we look at the reasons why this particular mission is being sponsored by NASA. The first reason is this particular telescope will look at 2 stars. These 2 stars are the specific stars that are on the target of NASA of Milky Way. This is the galaxy that we are living in. Second, high frequency wave can also be detected. These are the waves that have frequency high but their wavelength that is of a low order. Third, that is supernova explosion. Supernova explosion, this can also be detected, and when supernova explode, there will be some gases that will go in the outer space, and the density, we can find out a couple of parameters as well. Few of them are mentioned here, that is density, second is velocity, and other parameters will also be there. So these are the main features of this ASTROS mission. So thank you very much.